here, Roxy. Come here, Roxy. Derek, you love your Roxy, don't you? You're trying to touch her. Come here, Roxy. Right here. Come here. Right here. You're trying to grab your Roxy. Come here, Roxy. Come here, Roxy, do. No, don't do that. Come here. Come here. Come here, Roxy. Come here, Roxy. When she gets close, your eyes get so big. Come here, Roxy. Come here. Come here. Come here, Roxy. Can you sit still for 2 seconds? There you go. Come here, Roxy. Come here, Roxy. Mr. Derek, you love your Roxy. Good girl, Roxy. Good girl.